Hi, team. Good morning, everyone. See, team, in yesterday's session, we completed some character functions. Completed. Okay. The character functions, what we completed. In string, substring. Both we completed in yesterday's session. We completed this. In string and substring, we completed. Substring means it returns substring from given string. In string means it returns searching string position. It returns a searching string position. It returns. Right, guys. Now, next one is date functions. After here, after we are completed number functions, character functions are completed. Now we are discussing date functions. Right. I think yesterday I given one assignment to all. Anybody completed that one? To display usernames, to display subscriber names separately. Okay. Anybody is completed? Please put your answer in the chat box. I can check, guys. Okay. Right. Fine. The next one is, guys, date functions. Now we are discussing date functions. Just a minute, guys. S. Lakshmi, substring of king at the gmail.com, one come instinct king. Okay, right. That is to display username, right? Right. And to display subscriber name also, try to write. Okay, right. Right. That is the subscriber names. It displays. Right, good. Right. Now, so the next one is date functions, right? Third type of functions are date functions. date functions. That's. Now, these functions are supposed date values only. These functions are supports only date values. Okay, right. We know date data type. We know, guys. What is the date data type? DD MON YY. That is okay. DD MON YY. That is. So our date functions supports only date data type means you should be include DD MON YY format only, sir. Other formats are not accepted. Okay, these functions are supports date values only. Right, guys. Now sysdate. Now here I'm discussing. Sysdate means we know already. Now here we are discussing. Now here we are discussing. It returns current server date and time. What is meaning of current server? Suppose your system is connected to some server. Okay, your server is available in US. You are in India. You are a client. You are connected to server. Just like here, if you take banking applications, we are the clients. Customers are our clients. Suppose you are open net banking. So once you open net banking, you are connected to SBA server database. You are a client. You are connected on server. The server is SBA server. Where the server is available? Different places in India, like Mumbai, Calcutta, different places they are using. Okay, right. Now, right now, you and your server both are in same place. No problem at all. At the time, date display same like now. Means total based on the India's time zone plus 530 hours. Based on the time zone, it displays date and time in India anywhere. So your server, you means you are a client. Client and server both are in the same place. We cannot see the difference system date. Suppose your server is in US, suppose you are working on US project. You try to connect to US bank server. Then US time zone is different, India's time zone is different. So once you execute this sysdate means based on the US time zone, it displays date and time. Okay, na? That is called server date and time. Okay, suppose right now here we are using your laptop. If you are using personal PC, at that time what happens, guys? You and the server both are same or not? Yes. Client and server both are same because we are not connected to any server. Okay. So set line 100, set page is 100. Okay. Now select start from EMP. Right, guys. So select date from real. Yes, 20 October 23. It is place. Okay, guys. Now, date functions. First one is months between. Sir. This is one of the date function, guys. Months between. Months, HS. Months between. Okay. Right. It returns months between two given dates. See an example, guys. See an example. Select a months. This is important, guys. If you want to do any date manipulations, now these functions are very important. So select the months between sysdate, comma, higher date, or else first of all, I tell you some data. 01 January 2023 from real. System date means 20 October to 20 October 2023 to 1st January 2023. How many months are completed? 9.6 months are complete. It calculates internally number of days, hours, minutes, seconds also it is taking, sir. It is considered. Okay, now guys. That is. This is now one example. Write a query to display each employee experience in years. We know already, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday session, we discussed how to find the experience by using round function. At the time of discussing round function, we discussed already, right? Now months between, now we are discussing guys. Months between. Each and every employee experience in years. So select employee number, comma, months between, sysdate, comma, higher date from EMP. Number of months are coming. 514.11, 512, 511, 510, 504 or something. So by 12. By 12 means number of years are coming. 42.8, 42.6. So I want to remove this part. So we can apply round function. Round of comma 1. Comma 1 means after decimal part to display single digit. Okay. Right. Now I want to take alias as experience. Now this is the final query. Okay. Right, guys. To display each and every employee experience in years. months between. Next, second function is add months. Add months. So add months means add months to given date. So use it to add months to given date. Use it to add months to given date. That is. Right. See one example. It accepts plus or minus. Only both are accepted. Sorry, both are accepted. Both are accepted. Okay. Now select add months of add months of yes date comma 1 or 2 from here. Select date comma 2 from here. 2 months are added. Today is 20 October, 20 December. If you go minus 1 month is minus 20 September. 20 September. This is called add months. Next one is third function is next day. Next day means what you are thinking, guys, tomorrow date, right? Next day means tomorrow date. No, that is wrong. It returns coming week of the date. Coming week of the date. It returns. Coming week of the date. It returns. That is. Right, guys. So coming week of the date means simple. See. Next day of date comma SUN. Coming Sunday date I want to display, sir. Coming Sunday date I want to display. So SUN means we can give first 3 characters. Coming Sunday date is 22nd October. You can give either first 3 characters of the day, Monday, coming Monday date, 23rd October. Or else we try to give digit also 2. 2 represented day of the week, sir. 2 represented day of the week. That is. Second day. By default, Oracle takes Sunday 1, Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Saturday 7. No, same. Okay. Either you can place number or you can place first 3 characters of the day also you can place. Note. By default, Oracle takes Sunday 1, Monday 2, and so on. And so on. Saturday 7. That is, guys. Saturday is 7. Right, guys. So next one is last day. We discuss where you can exact use now. Next day, last days. Where you can exact use now. We discuss with different examples now. Last day means it returns. It returns last date of event date. Last date of event month or event date. So my date is today is the 20 October, sir. I haven't displayed this month last date. 31st October. Sir. This month last date is 31st October. So it returns last date of the month. Right. Now, these are only 4 date functions. Team. One is months between. Second one is add months. Okay. Third one is next day. Fourth one is last day. These are. Okay. Now, where you can use these functions? See. Other examples. Other examples. Write a query to display next month first date. I want display next month first date. I want to display means 1st November. 1st November I want to display. So see how much it is last day. 31st October, na? 31st October. Okay, plus 1. Then 1st November. Plus 1 means 1 day is added, sir. Plus 1 means 1 day is added. Okay. Okay, this is the coming month. Okay. Now, write a query to display. Write a query to display current month first day. First day. Current month first date means 1st October I want to display, sir. 1st October I want to display. 1st October. First October means don't write sys date minus 19. Okay, na? Sys date minus 19 means 1st October is it valid? No. Because your system date is changed, you should be change this input also, right? But what you write the query now, the query should be executed dynamically, guys. Dynamically should be executed. So select add months of 6 date comma -1 from real. How much? 20 September returns. 20 September is the returns. One month is minus, right? So it is not suitable. What we can do, guys? See, here I write down last day. Last day of 6 date. How much returns, guys? This one. 31st October. 31st October returns, ma'am. 31st October minus 1 month is minus. Add months of 31st October -1 means obviously 30 September displays. Right or wrong? So 30 September plus 1, 1st October. That is okay. Nested functions, guys. Here we are using add months last day. We are using. This is. Next one is write a query to display each employee how much earned up to last month. Up to last month, each employee, how much they earn. I want to, last month means up to 30 September. Up to 30 September, from date of joining to up to 30 September, each employee, how much they got the salary. So, we know already query just now we completed. This is the 30 September returns. Last date means 31st October. 31st October, 1 -1 means 1 month is minus. By using add months, 30 September returns. This is. Okay? 30 September. From employee date of joining to. From employee date of joining to 30 September. Employee date of joining. Date of joining, where it is available? Hire date column in employee table. Right? So now here, hire date. What I'm pressing? Hire date. But from 30 September to employee date of joining, how many months are completed? By using one function is there. Months between. Months between. This total output is 30 September 2023 to employee date of joining. Till how many months are completed? That number of months are coming. That number of months into monthly salary from employee table along with his employee number. Or else first you try to take how many months are completed. Suppose 513 months, 512 months, 511 months, 509 months. Right or wrong? So star salary. These are coming hash means actually I change my number actually number size temporarily I change it to 10, 9, 6. That's why it is plus. Up to till date, first employee 7316 is getting 4,10,743 rupees because his salary is 900 something. Maximum salary is getting this person only, guys. Finger. 25 lakh to 12,000. Okay, this is the query, guys. Okay, Now here I take alias as sum total. Yes. This is the query, guys. Observe this. In this query, how many functions we are using? Months between, add months, last day we are using. Because in Oracle, there is no direct function to find out up to till last day, last month, last date, how many months are completed. There is no direct function. That's why we are using this one. You can implement the logic, sir, everything in our hand. Just we need to implement only. Okay. Right. So one of the most important query, write a query to display. See, guys, nowadays banks, nowadays all banks are holidays. All banks are holidays. Second Saturday and fourth Saturday. Right or wrong? Now I want to find out, sir. I want to execute one query. The query returns second Saturday, fourth Saturday in the current month. If you want to find out compulsory, you should open the calendar, right? So I want to display right now fourth Saturday, second Saturday. How it is. So write a query to display. Second and fourth Saturday. Second and fourth Saturday dates to display. This is that query, guys. Second and fourth Saturday dates. How to display this? First, how to display second Saturday. Second Saturday. So current month is second Saturday. I want to display first. Now, see, guys. Select last day of sixth day from real. We know 31st October. From 31st October, I want to do add months of 31st October minus 1 here I write down. That is 30 September. After we know this one. Okay. After 30 September, I want this is second Saturday. Na? 7 days added, sir. 7 days added. Once 7 days added, what happens now? First week is complete or not? Once you add the 7 days, then first week is completed. Right now, what is output right now? 7th October, 30 September plus 7 days. 7th October. After 7th October, I want display coming Saturday date. After 7th October, coming Saturday date, I want to display. This is header. Yes. Now, how to display by using next day. Next day of total this one. Comma. SCAT. Enough, guys. Enough. So After 7th October, coming Saturday date. What the coming Saturday date after 7th October? 14. This is second Saturday. Okay. As second Saturday, alias contains more than one word. So double quotes. Second Saturday. This is the query, guys. Okay. What about the fourth Saturday, guys? Anybody can give the logic? I think you got some idea about this. Fourth Saturday. How to find out, guys? Anybody can give. I'm not writing entire query, just a small, in the above query, small changes are there. What we want to change. Total query is correct. Only we can change only. Anybody can guess to display fourth Saturday date. What we want to change in the above query. Anybody can guess in this query what we want to change to get the fourth Saturday. Read once total query. Anybody? Simple logic, guys. Simple logic. Yes, exactly, Dharani. Exactly, that is. So anybody? I got the answer. No, that is alias Srika. That's alias. Alias you can change. That is good. Okay, that one also we can change. Okay. Here you can say fourth Saturday. But once exit fourth Saturday also it displays second Saturday date. Now I want to display 28th. Yes, 28th I want to display. I want to display 28th, guys. Then how to display? This is okay, guys. This is also correct. One important logic is missing here. Anybody can. Simple, guys. Simple. Here you can change to 21. Enough. 21. 21 means 3 weeks are completed. Means it returns 21st October. After 21st October, coming Saturday date. That is 28th October. This is. Okay. This is the example, guys, to find the fourth Saturday date. Here, what you are using? Next day, add months, last day. Right, guys? These are some examples related to date functions. Okay. Right. Next, second type of predefined functions are group functions. Group functions or aggregate functions. Both are same. Now we completed column level functions are completed. Column level functions are categorized into 3 types: number, character, date. Now the second type of predefined function is group functions. So these functions can compare multiple rows and returns single row output. Common, actually, not multiple rows, guys. Multiple values we can say actually. Okay, na? Some everybody says that multiple rows. Okay. So these functions are compares multiple values and returns single value output only. So group functions are also called as aggregate multi-row or multi-value function. Multi-row or multi-value functions. That is. Okay, guys. So one example, guys. First one is min function. Min. It returns minimum value. Select min of salary from M. Select min of salary from M. Minimum salary it returns. It returns minimum salary. Right. So minimum salary means from the total employee salaries. What is minimum salary? Right or wrong? Means the min function is comparing multiple values. Multiple salaries are comparing. Finally returns only single value output only returns, that is called 800. But the above functions are applicable each and every salary, right or wrong? These functions are applicable for each and every salary. Value is applicable and return something out, right or wrong? But right now, this functionality is different. Multiple values are comparing, single output only returns. Next, max. This function returns max value. This function returns max number. So max of that. Maximum sum. Okay. Next one. Next to average, minimax sum. Total sum of salary with returns. Total sum of salary with returns. Yes. Next to average. Average. Average means sum of salary by number of countries. The average is the average. Right. Next to count function. Count function. Count function means right now this function returns. This function returns total number of values or records. Total number of values. It counts. This function counts number of values or number of records. Okay, how it is? We discuss. Guys, tomorrow we have the session team. Tomorrow we have the session team. Okay. Tomorrow we have the session. Now this function counts total number of values or number of records. Data records. Now, number of values are number of records. See one example, guys. Select count of employee number from M. In employee table, employee, how many employee numbers are there? 14 employee numbers. Yes. But right now, I place commission. Means total commissions are counted. How many commissions are there? 4 commissions are there. 0 also calculated, guys. It returns 4. This is, it counts number of values. But see the output now. Employee number 14 returns. Commission returns only 4 only. Okay, right. But here, what happens, guys? Count function ignores nulls. Once you pass column, once you pass parameter as column name, right or wrong? Once you pass column name as this one, once you pass parameter as column name, then what happens? Count function ignores nulls. Nulls are not counted, sir. For commission, nulls are there, no, nulls are not counted because null is an undefined value. We know already. That's why. So to display exact number of records, then to display exact number of records, then what we can do, guys? Select count of star from EMP, we write down, guys. Select count of star from EMP. Now, exactly inside the table, how many records are there? Number of records are coming. Here, we are not passing column name. What we are passing? Here we are passing star. Star is the byte character. Star is counting based on number of records in empty table. Not only star, guys. In interview source, somebody is asking, select count of 1 from EMP. What output? 14. 1 is counting 14 times. 1 is counting 14 times. Now, what is the output of this one? They are asking one question, guys. If table contains 14 records, what is the output of this query? They are asking. What is the output of this query? How much, guys? If table contains 14 records, how much value it returns? Once execute this query. It returns 14 or 4, 28. 14 or 28. How much returns once execute this query? Anybody? Okay. Anybody? See, guys, you can put that answer what you are thinking. There is no problem at all. Okay. That is correct or not, secondary thing. Okay. But you should be give that answer. How much it is? 14 or 28? That is. Once you try to do, if it is wrong, then you can understand once you give the correct answer. Once you give the correct answer, there is no problem. Okay, na? First trying is important, guys. Okay. So I got only 4 members are giving the answer. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Once execute this query, if the table contains 14 records, how much returns? 14 only, not 28. This is the logical question, guys. This is a logical question. Okay. This is a logical question actually. Max are placing 28, 28, 28. But 14 only. Why, sir? What you're using here? Count. Count means it counts only, not doing sum. Sum means 28, what you are saying. Here, once apply sum here, then 28. Because 2 is sum how many times? 14 times. 28. Okay. Count is Only it counts only. 2 is counting how many times? 14 times. Once here I give that 10 here, then also 14. Once I place 1000 here, then also 14 only. Okay, now this is right, guys. And we have the some other functions that we have in these group functions, guys. Okay. So tomorrow session we'll discuss. Okay, tomorrow we have the session, guys. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Right. So any doubts in guys in the today's session? Right. Okay. Fine.
Recording stopped.
Yes, Prashant, I share the notes daily. Yes, you didn't get. No, no, Srikanth. Okay. Uh, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I check my side. Hmm. Yes, guys. Should I send Shailaja, Madhuri, Bharani? Yes, should I send? Okay. Right. Sure. Again, today, again attached yesterday notes and today notes also. Okay. Prashant and all team. Okay. Okay. Sure, Lakshmi. I will discuss the next session. What you are asking. Okay. Sure. Pushpesh, right now management is not declared any holidays. Okay, na? If they declare it, definitely I'll inform you in the session. Okay. Actually, this year, two festivals are coming the same day. Okay. On Monday, two festivals are coming. Right, guys. Okay. Fine.